3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 12 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. Pour the prepared descaling solution into the water tank. Under standby mode, press and hold the grind, single cup, and double cup buttons for 5 seconds to start the descaling process. Turn the knob to the steam position. Let the solution flow through the brewing head and steam wand. When dispensing stops, turn the knob to the off position. Empty collection containers. Rinse the water tank and refill it with fresh water. Repeat the previous steps to run a rinse cycle. Once rinsing is finished, turn the knob to off. The machine will exit descaling mode and return to standby.